I like power yoga. Power yoga is my favorite. My friend Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com, your official YouTube power yoga instructor guy. Check in right now, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate that. This is power yoga for athletes and anyone else who wants to severely build mental and physical performance. All right, let's begin standing. Do some twists, a little warm up here, get the twists going. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose for this. Modify as needed. You can always hit pause on this video. Downward facing dog, a couple little down dog rocks to begin. Inhale forward, exhale back, smush the heels down. Inhale forward, exhale back. Now 3 vinyasa power flows. Inhale forward plank, lower down hover, inhale up dog, lower down, and press back downward facing dog. 2 more. Inhale with precision, with flow. Elbows in. Inhale up dog, lower, massage the ribs, exhale down dog, and 1 more vinyasa power flow, the basis of power yoga. I want control. I want to see strength. I want to see precision. And I want to see that in myself as well. So thank God we can do this together. Downward facing dog, lunge, left leg up, 3-legged dog, left foot forward, lunge. We're going to do 4 of these. Lift, keep your eyes focused. Set the hands down, step back, switch right leg up, 3-legged dog, right foot forward, lunge. Inhale up. Nice core work. 1 more on each side. Step back, left leg, and forward. Let the mind and body connect. The mind sees it, the body does it. Step back, down dog, right leg up, right foot forward, lunge. Excellent. Move into vinyasa flow. Step back, plank, forward, down. Take your time. Inhale up. Actually, don't take your time. Keep going. Exhale back to down dog, 3-legged dog. Spiderman 6 times. Exhale, left knee in, crunch. Inhale, extend. Really squeeze that side as you bring it in. Inhale, here's 3. We're going to 6. Spiderman. Spiderman plank. Exhale, squeeze. Turn the body towards that left knee. And again, crunch it in. Working the sides. Leg up. And now, last one. Step back and vinyasa flow. Keep the leg up if you like. Inhale, up dog. Lower down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Shake it out. Let's shake out this down dog before we do the Spiderman on the other side. Keep the shoulders loose. Everything very loose. Releasing into these flows. And, of course, tuck your shirt in. Very important. Right leg up. Right knee forward. Spiderman. 6 times. Inhale up. Exhale, crunch. Lift that right leg. Keep extending. You want your body to expand with every breath. Expanding everything we have, making it stronger, making it more flexible, more pliable to whatever comes your way. Athlete or non-athlete, everybody. Perform at your highest levels. And there it is. I do a little ad-libs in here. You may do the same if you like. And now vinyasa flow, right leg up if you like. There's the hover. Up dog, shoulders back, squeeze the glutes, lower, massage the ribs. Spiderman swim. Take the arms forward. Stretch out your body here for a moment. Get some length in the spine. Sink the armpits down. There's Superman. Now 10 little arm circles here. We're going to lift. Now pull the right arm back and then switch. 10 times. Keep your body lifted. Keep your eyes focused. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Steady breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let the breath lead you and inform every movement that you do. Anytime you train with Sean Vigue, it's breathing, breath, breath, breath. There's Superman. Now press back, child's pose. 6 slides. Take it up for a second, and there we are. Slide forward with the exhale. Inhale back. Drop those shoulders back. We want good posture. We're hinging forward. Then we come up with the back bend here. Let the movement be smooth. Let it be pure. And let that spine rejoice. And up, shoulders back, chest open. And again, slide, slide. And once more, feeling good. How do you feel? How's your body responding? Everything firing? Now this next one, we're going to slide into a vinyasa flow. Bring it through to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From the down dog, from dogs, we go to dolphin. Bring the forearms down, palms down. Nothing fancy here. we're going to breathe into this dolphin. Once you work your heels towards the floor, relax the shoulders, stretch the whole backside of your body, the whole posterior chain. You're also going to feel this in your chest, perhaps, and in the armpits. Okay, down dog. And then walking slowly into forward fold. Bring the feet forward, tuck the chin, loosen up the shoulders, loosen up the neck, shake it out. Do what you wish with the arms. Get some beautiful spinal decompression here. All right, we're preparing for 12 lizard hops. Fingertips on the floor, step back to plank. Take the left foot out, sink the hips down a little bit. Lizard pose, variation, step back to plank. Forward, down. There we are. Here's 3. Going to 12. You'll also have the option to speed it up if you like. 4. Plank 5. Little twist in there. 6. You could do a little hop like that. 7. Or stay with the original one. 8. That's up to you. 9. 10. 2 more times. There we are. Back to down dog. Forward vinyasa flow. Superman to extreme boat. So stretch it out again. On the mat, on the floor. Lift up to Superman pose. Arms and legs up, really working the back. Breathing into the Superman. Now rolling onto your back. And arms over the head, sinking the lower back down. Yes, back to Superman. Rolling gently. And then other side. There we are. The cap just got pulled down. That's serious stuff right there. Rolling back, vinyasa flow. Hands on the shoulders. Up dog, lift up. Lower down, massage, press up and back. Lizard again. Left leg up. Step forward. This time doing a big 3-legged dog. 6 times alternating. Right leg up. Step forward. You can do a little jump switch like that or step. These are all things to work up to. I do the same thing. Always practicing, always working up to something even greater that activates more of our bodies. 6 times. Big lift, add a little hip tilt back if you like to open the hip. All right, walking forward, forward fold and rising up and extended warrior. Reaching up and over, bending that, I'll mirror you, right knee stretching the left leg and then triangle. There's the extended triangle. Hand can also be on your leg, your right hand. Back to the warrior. Back to the triangle, lifting up and back. Big stretch. And vinyasa flow. Leg up if you like, or stay in the plank. Vinyasa power flow to cleanse the palate. Lower down, press back, downward facing dog. Right leg up, right foot forward. And let's do that same warrior sequence. Here's the back end. There's extended warrior. Extended triangle. Reach the arm back. Warrior. Triangle. Huge stretching. Flexibility is strength. Flexibility is power. Vinyasa flow. Here we are. You can also scoop it through like I just did. Sweeping through in that little snake movement. We're going to do 2 of those coming up right here. So take the feet wide. 2 snakes. Elbows in. And snake it through. Slither it through. Up and then back. And once again. Through and back, walking forward, forward fold. Moving into the pigeon twist in just a moment. Take a moment here, stretch out that spine. And then rising up, checking the notes evidently. Scheming, diving down, forward fold. Now 4 times, we're going into that pigeon twist. Come to down dog. Big lift with the leg, 3-legged dog. Left leg up, left foot forward. Here's your pigeon. And then twist to the left, forearm down. Hand on the lower back, getting some nice movement there. Open the chest, drop the shoulders down. Back to center, step back. Switch the legs, right leg up, 3-legged dog into pigeon. We're doing 4 of these, 2 on each side. Left forearm down with a little add-on the second time through, optional add-on. Twisting, opening the hips, sliding the left leg back. Switch the legs. Left leg tall, forward. Forearm down. You can also reach back and grab the top of your foot. Grab the toes, stretching the quads and the hip flexor even more. Drawing that foot towards you. You can always pause this if you want to milk this stretch some more, spend some more time in it. That's just perfect. Right leg up, right leg forward. We have pigeon with a twist on the rocks. Left forearm down, reach back, grab the foot. And there's the stretch. Good. How does that feel? You feeling some increased flexibility in your sides, in your lower back? Step back to plank. Forward, lower down. Cobra mudra. Lace the fingers behind you. Legs extended. Stay here. Or you're going to lift up off the mat as much as you wish with the inhale. Getting some curve in the spine. Drawing the shoulders back. Opening the chest. Working, again, that whole posterior chain. The whole back side of your body. And, of course, opening up your breathing, your posture, and your alignment. There's that lift. Now to counteract that, 6 child's pose slide. Sinking back, slide the right hand forward, left forearm down, and then switch 6 times. Next time I film one like this, I'm going to do it live with the voice. This is tough doing a voiceover on these because it moves so fast, but that's what's so great about it. Non-stop challenging surprises around every corner. All right, 6 child slides. And once again, Cobra mudra, M-U-D-R-A. Lace the fingers if you like. You can also bring the palms together to stretch the forearms. Lifting with the inhale, get some extension, the crown of the head reaching forward. Feel that back engaged. All right, press back to child's pose, a wide position with the arms. Take the arms out to the sides in a T shape. Sinking the chest down, moving side to side. Keep your body always moving. There's always some movement going on here. Connecting with every part of your body, every muscle, everything coming together. Now press up, a couple shoulder rolls here. Keep the shoulders back and down as we prepare for the garland pose, also called catcher's squat. Take the feet wide, toes pointed out. Hands can be on the tops of the thighs or bring the hands together. Elbows opening the hips, a little sway back and forth. And this is going to channel into an extended warrior and warrior wrap. So sink those this tailbone down. That's what I'm saying. Now open up, right foot out, extended warrior. And an option here for the warrior wrap in just a moment. If you're doing that, take your left arm to your back, right arm underneath, mirroring you. You're mirroring me right here. And then open the upper body to stretch the whole anterior part of the body, the whole front, chest, shoulders, neck, throat even. All right, hands down. Let's return to garland pose. Sinking the tailbone down. Keep the crown of your head lifting tall. It's a nice tall position. Take it side to side. Get some lubrication in the knees, in the joints. And let's do that extended warrior on the other side. So mirror me. Left knee bent. Extend the right arm. And stretch the right leg. Stay there, or right arm to the back, left arm underneath. You're binding the fingers together behind you if you're able. Opening that pose. Very grueling yoga pose, bringing so much together. All right, now the straddle plank. Take the feet as wide as you comfortably can. Hands are down. A little bit of movement here. This is, if you take those hands off the mat, it's all over. Game over. Boo, boo, boo. You can also bring the forearms down if you like. A forearm straddle plank, opening up the hamstrings, the groin. I mean, you're feeling all of that right now. Keep your breath strong in the nose and out the nose. Flexibility is youth. Flexibility is performance. Flexibility is pliability, which keeps your muscles and the rest of your body adapting to any challenge that comes along. All right, come down to straddle position here, seated. We're going to do a thread twist here. So again, you can mirror me. Take it to your right side and cross the left arm over the right. Adding a little twist as you lengthen, sinking the backs of the knees down. Now rise up. Shoulders back and down and go to the other side. Excellent. So bring that left arm across. As you're twisting, you feel a big stretch in your left lat, your back muscle there, really tugging on that, going all the way down the side. All right, bring it up, arms up over the head, cactus arms, opening. How did that treat you, my friends? We get to do these great things together. Thanks for joining me today, Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. Please check in below, hit that like button, subscribe to never miss a workout, and train every day with me. All right, back to the wall, half Russian.
Fine chariot, but where's your horses?
Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.